Want to make your own songs and music, but you don't have money? No problem. No singing talent? No problem, dude. I'm gonna show you the best AI-generated music platform to make your own songs without spending a single bucks. And yes, it's unlimited. Everyone knows how powerful AI is becoming day by day. So don't think about making a Spotify account. Think how these generated music can improve your YouTube content creation, business sales, or marketing. Now watch the video carefully. This is called SonAuto AI. I'll leave the link on the description. Come to this website and sign up with your Gmail account. Then you'll come to this interface. From the staff picks, you can listen and download songs which is created by other people. Let's listen this one.
Yeah, I've been thinking that all night. I'm at the edge of my room, and I wanna feel that your heartbeat pull me in.
One more.
Here I am stuck in this elevator.
Now let's see how you can make your own copyright-free musics. For that, simply click on the Make Music option. Here you'll get 3 options: auto lyrics, custom lyrics, and no lyrics. You can upload your own lyrics on the lyrics section. I don't have any custom lyrics, so I'm keeping it blank for now. Now look slightly top of the lyrics. There is a sound section. Add your desired music styles and instruments. I'm adding some tags here. Now there are 2 more options: Fancy Mode and Advanced Mode. I'm enabling the Fancy Mode. On the Advanced Mode, you'll see some more options like lyric strength, balance, beats per minutes, etc. to make your music more realistic and engaging. Don't forget to experiment with these options for getting more better result. Now hit the Generate option, and your music generation will be start. Let's wait for some time. My music is finally done. Now let's taste my own creativity.
Every time you look at me, my walls start crumbling. You pull me in just like a tide, and I can't run away. Heartbeats keeping time, your eyes never lying. Darling, it's you every single day.
So this is the power of AI. Go to the website and experiment as much you want, because it's totally free and unlimited. There is not any hidden transaction. Please click on the like and subscribe button for my efforts. I'm coming very soon with another new AI tools. Till then, goodbye.